How to pay bills on BMO Online Banking. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for BMO. And then head over to this site, Online Banking. Once you're in the official site of BMO, tap on Sign In at the top of the screen. Once again, click on Sign In right here. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on page. Enter your login credential as in your user ID and the password, and then click on Sign In at the bottom. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in this page, now what you want to do is head over to Pay and Transfer at the bottom of the screen, and then click on Pay a Bill at the top. Tap on Select your biller. Choose the specific biller that you want to pay the amount. Now you will have to enter the amount that you want to pay and also enter the delivery date. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Continue. Now you have to review the payment details and then tap on Pay. And there you go, your payment has been scheduled in the date that you have chosen. So in the exact date, your payment will be done and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.